Beautiful. All right, so what we have here is, as we're ordinary, a huge freaking beaker. So I'll put some water in there. Now, what I'm about to put in here is baking soda and Alkanox. Okay, Alkanox is just a soap. It rinses really easily. It's a good lab soap. Baking soda. What's the formula for baking soda? You ever heard of it? Okay, probably not. All right, so it's actually HCO3 minus, and I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so it is something that's amphiprotic. All right, so put that in there. Okay, and we'll stir. Okay, baking soda and soap. Now, what we have here is an indicator. All right, this indicator is called methyl orange. When it's in a base, it's orange. All right, because this is a fairly basic solution. All right. Now, what we have here is 6 molar hydrochloric acid. Yay! All right. And I want to dilute this to about 3 molar. So we're going to take the 6 molar acid, add about half again the amount of water. All right. Now, what do you suppose will happen when I mix sodium bicarbonate with strong acid? It's going to explode.
Probably wouldn't have it out like that if it was going to explode.
Well, this is pretty good glass. All right. Well, I have the goggles on, dear, because I'm standing here playing with 6 molar hydrochloric acid. If I accidentally go like that, I really, really, really don't want the 6 molar in my eyes. Yes?
Is it going to turn into foam?
I don't know. Let's find out. You ready? Steady. Go.
No, you should have put it in the other container so that it squirted out.
Ooh. Might do that next time. It's a little tough to get that much in. So, what did I get?
Foam.
Why did I get so much foam?
Because of soap.
All right, soap. That's right. I used the soap. If I did this without the soap, it wouldn't be nearly as much fun because it would just make gas, right? Without any soap, it would just make gas and it would bubble, but you wouldn't get the foaming action. Now, what kind of gas did I make? So I had hydrochloric acid and I had NaHCO3. Okay, let's find. I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a huge hint. All right. Boom! I could do that 20 times in a class and I get somebody. All right.
Not oxygen?
Not oxygen. Excellent deduction. What would it have done if it had been oxygen? Would have flared up.
You would have had a hell of a fight.
All right. I would have to let go of the stick really fast. All right. So, what did I make?
Something heavier than.
Yeah.
Okay, let's use our brain. HCO3 and HCl. Carbon dioxide. It's breaking it up and it's making carbon dioxide gas, so it's basically going to extinguish it. Now, next question. Let's see which one was limiting. Was the baking soda limiting or was the acid limiting? What do you think? The acid was limiting because when I add more, I get more reactions. Okay, you'll notice something now. Notice the colorations. All right, now it's totally pink. So now we are totally acidic. Okay, so it's way more acid than base. So we've totally overshot it. So we've got almost no base left in here. All right. All right. Now, how much carbon dioxide do I now have? Let's see. Let me get it burning really well. All right. So basically, more than half of this tank is full of carbon dioxide.
Ooh.
Yo.
So if you were to like scoop a cup in there,
That's what I'm about to do.
Wow.
Let's see if it'll work. I tried it in the first blog and it didn't quite work, so let's try it now. Actually, I didn't try it after I used all the extra acid. Let's see.
You gotta get the best of it.
Yeah, I'm getting all the good ones. Okay. Not bad. Close. Close. If I'd have used a candle instead of a burning stick, it might have worked better.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
why it's at the bottom of the table. Well, that would make sense.
Not quite enough. All right, not quite enough to put it out. Now, on the other hand, if I had, say, if I was into torturing small animals and I had a little mouse, I could put the mouse down in here and he'd be dead in a couple seconds because he'd suffocate.
So
If I put like a mouse, if I had a little boat so he didn't like burn his feet on the acid and he was swimming, he was sitting on the boat, he would suffocate. Yeah.
So what if you put your head in?
No. You want to kill that?
Turn it off.
Smash it.